Alright everyone, so welcome back to Grow with Kit. So something a little bit different today. Um, if you remember, we built the raised beds out of Welsh slate. I've got quite a few bits left over which I've either broken or just not the right size. So what I thought I'd do, I've been trying to cut it. I've tried many different ways cutting it. So I'll show you the easiest way that I've found to cut out, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to be making plant labels out of these, plant markers. So I've got a few here which I've made. I think they turn out pretty good. I'm no artist obviously, but I tried painting them. So I'll show you how I cut them and we'll talk about it. So I'll turn the camera out and I'll get cracking. Alright guys, so the easiest way I've found to cut this slate is to just use a ruler or something straight. So I'm just using an old hinge which I'd line around and a Stanley blade. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mark out where I want to cut it, and then I'm going to score probably about 10 or more deep cuts into the slate. Get a nice deep groove, and I'm hoping it will break along the line. So we'll get that done. Just mind your fingers guys. I haven't managed to cut myself yet, but just be careful with a knife. So the more you score, the easier it will break. We're going to do it on both sides. So that's one side done. Quite a deep groove there now. And when we flip it over, I've marked out where I want to do it. So we're going to do the same again on the other side. This is just the easiest way that I've found to do it, guys. I've seen people using chisels and saws and all sorts, but I haven't got any of that stuff. So I did try chiseling it, but it just kept breaking the slate. So this is the easiest way I've found to do it. By no means is it the best way to do it, but anyway. Right, so that should be enough now. The hope is that we've scored deep enough that it will break along this line. Right, so next what you want to do is you want to try and break it along the line. So if you've got a bench clamp, that's probably a good idea to use that, but I'm just going to be using this clamp that I've got here, because it's all I've got at the moment. So I'm going to put it in the clamp up to where you want the break to be. Tighten up the clamp. And hopefully, if we push on it here, it should break along the line. So there we go. Most of the time it works perfectly fine. Sometimes it'll break, but most of the time it will be fine. And there you have it. So now all you've got to do is decorate it. You can use chalk or white marker pen or whatever you want really. I'm going to be painting it with a waterproof acrylic paint. Alright, so I'll get back to you in a minute and I'll show you how I'm doing that. Right, so I'm just going to do this time lapse of me painting this tomato on here. I'm not an artist guys, and I'm not really very good at painting, but let me know how you think it turned out. So that's that done. Yeah, so I think it turned out okay. In true Blue Peter style, I'll show you some other ones which I made earlier. So this is supposed to be an onion. This one is a beetroot. And I've done a carrot as well. Don't judge my painting. Right, so that's all there is to it, guys. I mean, alright, so thanks a lot for watching, everyone. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time.